Which of the following is not a function of the liver? A. Carbohydrate metabolism. B. Blood clotting. C. Detoxification. D. Digestion. The correct answer is option B. Blood clotting. What is the powerhouse of the cell? A. Nucleus. B. Golgi apparatus. C. Mitochondria. D. Endoplasmic reticulum. The correct answer is option C. Mitochondria. Which organelle is responsible for protein synthesis? A. Lysosome. B. Ribosome. C. Vacuole. D. Chloroplast. The correct answer is option B. Ribosome. What is the main function of the respiratory system? A. Transportation of nutrients. B. Regulation of body temperature. C. Exchange of gases. D. Filtration of blood. The correct answer is option C. Which of the following is not a function of the skeletal system? A. Protection of organs. B. Production of blood cells. C. Regulation of metabolism. D. Support and structure. The correct answer is option C. Regulation of metabolism. Which type of tissue connects bones to muscles? A. Cartilage. B. Adipose tissue. C. Ligament. D. Tendon. The correct answer is option D. Tendon. What is the function of white blood cells? A. Transportation of oxygen. B. Fighting infections. C. Breaking down food. D. Producing antibodies. The correct answer is option B. Fighting in. Which of the following is not a type of blood vessel? A. Artery. B. Vein. C. Nerve. D. Capillary. The correct answer is option C. Nerve. What is the smallest unit of life? A. Cell. B. Molecule. C. Atom. D. Tissue. The correct answer is option A. Cell. What is the process by which plants make their own food called? A. Respiration. B. Digestion. C. Photosynthesis. D. Transpiration. The correct answer is option C. Photosynthesis. Which of the following is not a component of blood? A. Plasma. B. Platelets. C. Hormones. D. Red blood cells. The correct answer is option C. Hormones. What is the longest bone in the human body? A. Femur. B. Humerus. C. Tibia. D. Radius. The correct answer is option A. Femur. Which of the following is not a type of muscle tissue? A. Skeletal. B. Cardiac. C. Smooth. D. Adipose. The correct answer is option D. Adipose. What is the primary function of the nervous system? A. Digestion. B. Movement. C. Communication. D. Reproduction. The correct answer is option C. Communication. Which part of the brain is responsible for coordination and balance? A. Cerebrum. B. Cerebellum. C. Medulla oblongata. D. Hypothalamus. The correct answer is option B. Cerebellum. What is the process by which blood clots to stop bleeding called? A. Coagulation. B. Respiration. C. Digestion. D. Circulation. The correct answer is option A. Coagulation. Which of the following is not a function of the skin? A. Regulation of body temperature. B. Protection against pathogens. C. Production of hormones. D. Sensation of touch. The correct answer is option C. Production of hormones. What is the liquid part of blood called? A. Plasma. B. Platelets. C. Hemoglobin. D. White blood cells. The correct answer is option A. Plasma. Which of the following is not a type of tissue in the human body? A. Epithelial. B. Connective. C. Cardiac. D. Nervous. The correct answer is option D. Nervous. What is the role of insulin in the body? A. Regulation of blood sugar levels. B. Production of bile. C. Digestion of carbohydrates. D. Contraction of muscles. The correct answer is option A. What is the function of the kidneys? A. Regulation of blood pressure. B. Production of bile. C. Filtration of blood. D. Digestion of proteins. The correct answer is option C. Filtration of blood. Which of the following is not a part of the digestive system? A. Stomach. B. Liver. C. Kidneys. D. Small intestine. The correct answer is option C. Kidneys. What is the name of the fluid that lubricates joints? A. Synovial fluid. B. Plasma. C. Lymph. D. Cerebrospinal fluid. The correct answer is option A. Synovial fluid. Which of the following is not a function of the endocrine system? A. Regulation of metabolism. B. Production of hormones. C. Transmission of nerve impulses. D. Regulation of growth and development. The correct answer is C. What is the function of red blood cells? A. Transportation of oxygen. B. Fighting infections. C. Producing antibodies. D. Breaking down food. The correct answer is option A. Transportation of oxygen. Which of the following is not a type of bone in the human body? A. Long bone. B. Short bone. C. Flat bone. D. Round bone. The correct answer is option D. Round bone. What is the scientific name for the windpipe? A. Larynx. B. Trachea. C. Bronchus. D. Alveoli. The correct answer is option B. Trachea. What is the function of the pancreas? A. Regulation of blood sugar levels. B. Production of bile. C. Filtration of blood. D. Digestion of proteins. The correct answer is option A. Which of the following is not a component of the circulatory system? A. Heart. B. Veins. C. Lungs. D. Kidneys. The correct answer is option D. Kidneys.